back to my channel. I'm Robert. Yes, if you're new here, you're welcome. If you're returning, you're welcome. We are still on Eurovision 2026. This is Eva Marija with the song titled Mother Nature. This is Luxembourg. Come on, I've been doing this Eurovision 2026. It has been amazing, seeing every country come into contest. And I want to ask question, when is Nigeria coming to contest? Or is it does Europe alone? Let me know if it's only Europe alone. Then maybe we can create our own contest in Africa. All right, without wasting your time, let's get down to business. So subscribe to my channel. I'm Robert TX, and you know the vibe. So without wasting your time, let's get down to this. Modern Nature. I expect it to be classic. So let's see.
From the start, when all was fun and games,
Nature is gonna be the natural type of day. Well, I'm looking forward to a dress.
Good things can end. Back when I was younger, I planted a seed under the moonlight, and even when there's thunder, I go back when I wonder, who am I? From the ground to my skin, as I'm howling at the wind, then my roots in the mud, and I lean my head back, let it out, let it in, letting go of all my sins, then my roots in the mud, and I lean my head back. Mother Nature, she knows. Mother Nature, she knows. I know.
Oh my days! I'm so sorry. I've lost the ranking. I have lost my ranking. This voice is giving me goosebumps, like piercing into my soul. Mother Nature. Oh, I love my voice. I'm sorry. I think I have plenty number one now. I'm sorry. This is
Mother Nature, she knows. Mother Nature, she knows.
my voice is natural. It's Mother Nature indeed.
Nature, she knows. See the leaves, how they grow back again, and I hear and learn to love myself again. Even when there's thunder, oh, I don't have to wonder. Who am I? From the ground to my skin, as I'm howling at the wind, then my roots in the mud, and I lean my head back, let it out, let it in, letting go of all my sins, then my roots in the mud, and I lean my head back. Mother Nature, she knows. Mother Nature, she knows. I know that Mother Nature, she knows. Mother Nature, she
Oh, Eva Marija, you have my heart. Oh my days.
Mother Nature,
Nature.
she knows. Mother Nature, she knows.
I'm proud of you, like for real. Luxembourg, you did well. I feel like Luxembourg and what they call them, oh my goodness, I miss it again. And Croatia, they came to tell you, this is the nature calling us. Let's go back to our roots. Yeah. I think the Croatia and Luxembourg have like similar performance, but not like similar, but like talking about the nature, all this nature thing. That is where they come from. I love this, and I love this Eva Marija voice. So amazing. Marija, my lover. Mother Nature, she knows. Oh my days, I envy her because she has a very sweet, amazing voice. And that is really incredible. I love this. So I'm so happy that I hear this one today. It's really tickling. Really, like I'm happy. Like what the nature? She knows. A voice is ringing in my head right now, and I would like to watch to hear this again. For real. Like I'm gonna download this song and like play it over and over and again. It's nice. Just like the first time I heard Lauren, I knew Lauren is gonna be the winner. But I don't know, like Miraja has a chance of getting to the uh finalist. Like, yeah, I love this. So, guys, tell me the next one you want to react to. Tell me your favorite from this Eurovision 2026. I don't know. Me, I have a lot of favorites. I'm not gonna lie. And if I'm to vote for everybody, I think I would do that. So, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell button so that you can find an upload video. I'm Love at CS. Like, catch you in the next video. Guys, go!